Let's talk about and change the width and height of your cells in your Excel worksheet. Now I'm going to open my Excel sheet. So now I have a lots of column A to I would like to increase my column size. If you want to increase your column size, then click on here, and that will be automatically adjust whatever you written on the title bar. So you can also automatically you can do this, and you can click on here. And if you want to do anything else, and you can also drag and drop each one. Yes, drag. Each one. Now if you want to size of column size, then you can drag here and this way, and you can also do another way. Just write and column width. Now my column size is a 30 pixel, and if you want to increase your that column size, then you can write 55. Now already my columns is already increased. If you want to decrease the size of any column, then you can also do same thing and column width and write 12. Now its size already decreased, and you can also increase or decrease your row column. Each one just row height, and now 14 pixel. So I would like to increase my row size. So now type in 4450, sorry, by 50 pixel. It's already increased. So I hope that you can increase or decrease whatever you want, and your column size or row size easily. And you can do by this one, and you can do also drag and drop. Thanks for watching.